Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is RP, and if you guys are new to my channel, welcome. This is what my hair looks like out of the shower. I know it's kind of crazy. A lot of people I know would probably wish to have this hair. I don't wish to have this hair, so if you know magic and you want to switch with me, I'm totally down. So here I am. You guys let me know down below if you guys like it. This is literally no product, nothing. I've never diffused my hair in my life, so my curls kind of aren't as defined as you can tell, but I don't know. I'm kind of like, for the first time in my life, liking it and wanting to embrace my natural curls. So yay, thumbs up to that. If you guys have curly hair and can give me ticks, that's fucking nasty. Don't give me ticks. But if you have tips, that's another story. We can, do something with that. Go ahead and comment down below on how you guys like to manage your curly hair. On today's video, I'm gonna be doing a fall kind of styling video, but I'm gonna have a small haul from Aritzia because, I freaking love Aritzia, one of my favorite stores. And I'm just gonna have, I have a few fall items I want to show you guys. So it is going to be mainly a styling video, but also a short small haul. But yeah, let me know what you guys want to see in my videos for the future. I know I'm gonna continue and give you guys like styling haul videos all the time because that's what people constantly talk to me about. Like, oh my God, where'd you get that? Where'd you get that? And I'm like, do you not watch my YouTube channel? Apparently not. My first look, I have this top. It's kind of like this really nice bondage material. I don't even know how to say it, but it's a very thick material and it's from Aritzia, as you guys can tell. I absolutely love it. This is a size extra small, which is crazy to think, but it fits and it's really secure. I figured since it's stretchy, like might as well get an extra small. Also, they didn't have another size, so both of those things, and it works. Okay, so I pair this with, I have three things here that I'm gonna pair it with. First off, I'm gonna go and show you guys how it looks with an all black blazer. Okay, so for this look, this is such a classic, like classy and sexy look, which like I'm all about. So this top is also from Aritzia. It's one of the new things that I got. It's called the Moscato White Blank. I know they have this in a lot of sizes. It's a really, really nice material. It's like super stretchy and like very cozy and comfortable. And it's only 48 bucks. It's on the cheaper end, I would say, from things that are at Aritzia. And I paired this with these beautiful, I love these pants. Like if anybody needs a nice pair of pants, I got these. They're called Dashwood in light birch. Also new from Aritzia, and it's this like ivory color, kind of like off-white. They're so nice. Like they look so good on the waist and like flow on your body really well, especially if you're like a curvy girl, and it just looks amazing. Okay, so what I did for this outfit is I wore a leotard, actually also in a previous video from Aritzia. It's like this one piece like taupey color. I'll put the video here. It's an Aritzia haul that I did, and it has a bunch of stuff that I've when I first got introduced to the brand. Okay, so here all I did was same outfit, but I paired it with this jacket. It's like this vegan leather jacket from Zara. So they have these at Aritzia as well, and at Zara they're like 110 or 120 like max, and at Aritzia they're like 160. It feels kind of similar. Aritzia, I'm not gonna lie, is a little softer, but this is also super soft and like very, like, it's not stiff at all. It's very comfortable. So I paired it with this. This is very warm, and this is like, I feel like a staple from Aritzia, but they're doing it at Zara too, so I would grab it for sure. I put that leotard on as a base, and then I put this top over it, and then I put this sweater over it, which is also new. How beautiful is this color, like, and the material? It's a little bit more on the pricier end. It's $168. It's called Heather Birch. That's the color, I'm assuming, but it is so pretty, and it is definitely perfect for like layering and for fall. And yeah, it looks gorgeous. Last but not least, I'm just pairing this simple look together with this little tee I got from Zara. I think it's a really pretty color, and I've been kind of obsessed and like living in these. Sorry, this one has a little stain on it, but like I said, I've been wearing these with like everything, dressing them up and down. It's so like comfortable and just like chill. And then with the Melina pant, like I think the colors are just so beautiful. I'd probably like dress this up with like a leather jacket or a trench coat and like, you know, make it look dope. But that is pretty much it for my fall Aritzia haul styling video. Anyway, you guys, that was pretty much it. Again, I'm running out of air to breathe because it's getting so hot since I film like right in front of my window, and it becomes like a greenhouse effect, and I'm like the little plant like suffocating and needing water. But as you guys can tell, my hair kind of stayed. It's not getting crazier, which I'm really happy about. And I really hope you guys enjoyed my fall haul. That sounds cool. Fall haul or styling video, whatever you want to call it. Honestly, there's thousands more outfits I could put together, which I will, but this is like the first edition of the fall series I want to do. I'm gonna start off with like obviously neutrals since it's like my thing, but I want to do more color later on, like greens, burgundies, and browns, and all of that kind of stuff in another video for fall. But let's start off with essentials. Let's start off with nudes, things that are easier to style. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time. Please go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. It really does help my channel out a lot. I'm trying to have it grow. But yeah, love you guys, and see you guys next time.